that the lights all work on the trailer. So after this, we'll be good to go. We'll order the ad and then head back to the house. Alright, well, got the trailer I'm hauling to Nebraska. Looks like she's a 48-footer flatbed. It's pretty good. Wish my truck was clean though. Well, Brad and I just got the first commercial done and went pretty well. Only had to do a couple takes, so that's good news. So after this, I'm just gonna head back to the house, hang out, and I'll head out Sunday. Well, it's Sunday. It's time for me to head out and hit the road. It's been a long week, but it's been a good week. Now we're just gonna load the sled and I'm gonna head out. And I know a couple of you guys have been asking how I get the sled up and down and off of the deck. Well, I'm gonna show you guys right now. She's a little angry, but she started this morning. That's how you do it. She's all strapped down, ready to go. Thanks to the boys for helping me, but it's time for me to roll out. So until next time, boys. Safe. Much love. All right, later, boys. Not gonna lie, it's a little cold here in Denver. It's like, feels like -5 and it's like 6 degrees right now. But thankfully the little girl started, so that's good. So now we are heading to Norfolk, Nebraska. It's about, I don't know, 5:30, something like that for miles. It's gonna take about 8 hours to get there. Get there tonight and then drive the trailer in the morning and probably just end up deadheading home or bobtailing home. But yeah.
As most of you know, I'm due for a new front bumper. With thousands of options on the market, it can be hard to just pick one. Luckily, I stumbled across my new home for chrome. Truck City Chrome and Parts have it all, with a variety of bumpers, fenders, stacks, LED lights, and more. They carry United Pacific, Grand General, Trucks, Lincoln Chrome, US Star, and Hazer, making them a one-stop shop for all your trucking needs. Make sure to stop by their new location, open now in Atlanta, Georgia, and get your ride looking fresh.
Well, made it to the spot, so I'm gonna unhook here and then probably just head on home. Possibly gonna meet up with Kenny since he's in the area and grab lunch. And then gotta get that low boy to Canada, so hopefully we can do that this week. Just have to wait and see. weekend. Kenny's gonna meet me, and we're gonna mob back together and hopefully get a couple shots.
What the fuck? We out here with Big Dog. What up?
Hello! Oh, double vlogging or what? Man, she's looking good. Tell me a little bit about her, Kenny.
1,000 horsepower, she screams.
Woo! She looks like it. No, I really like the look of it. Man, she's a clean unit, that's for sure. Who's that? Who's that? Is that Otis? What's up? Hey. You excited to see me? Yeah? What are you doing? Gotta go potty? Oh, there we go. What are you doing? Yeah, you excited?
Yeah, I need air ride on the front. Like if I could drive.
Yeah. Oh, she still looks good though. I like it. It's clean. A lot cleaner. Doggy. Let's go. I don't know about you, but I know which one I'm choosing. Which one you choosing, Kenny?
I'm choosing the white one, dude.
Yeah, right.
Alright, well, Kenny and I just got some lunch, and now we are gonna roll back. He's going to Joe's, the shop, so I mean, I'm getting off the exit before him. So we're gonna get a couple rolling shots of each other, so should be good.
Yeah. Word.
All right, we're rolling out. Got back a little bit ago. Gonna be here for a couple days and then see what we're gonna do.
What's that?
Want the ball?
She is a dirty girl, that's for sure. Definitely gonna need to get a wash. Once these roads clear up a little bit.